oral spočet. You understand me? Okay? Yes. Takže Edko, 3 plus 3 equals 6. Yes. 6 minus 0 equals
6.
Well done. 0 plus 10 equals
10.
Excellent. 10 minus 3 equals show me on your
7.
7. Excellent. 7 plus 2 equals Paulinka
9.
9. Sarah, 9 minus 4 equals
5.
yes, excellent. 5 plus 3 Tereska.
Equals 8.
Samko, 8 plus 2 equals
10.
excellent. 10 minus 7 Jakub equals
3.
3 and Ríško, 3 plus 4 equals
7.
7. Tak nemám to ešte. Dobre. Na začiatok si dáme ešte teraz také veselé vety o mne. Dobre, musíte počúvať teraz, hej. Ak to bude pravda, tak dáte prst hore, to už poznáte, it's true. A ak to nebude pravda, it's false. Takže listen to me, hej. Look at me. I have 4 legs. 1, 2. I have only 2 legs, not 4. It's false. Next, put your hands alebo arms takto, like me. Dajte sa to ruky, hej? Next. Mean has 2 heads. It's false. Dobre. Next. I have 2 eyes. Look at me. I have 2 eyes. It's true. 1, 2. And listen to me. My name is Monika. My name is Monika. Okay. Dobre. My name is Lena. Dobre. Budeme pokračovať na tabuli. Look at the chalkboard. Means. Tak. There is a snowman. There is a snowman. Snowman is sad, pretože na jeho body sú nesprávne vyriešené príklady. Find the mistake and correct it. Ríško, stand up, come to me. Ako to? Take the chalk. And read it.
7 plus 3 equals 7.
Cross it out. And write the correct number. Takže jedno vypočíta správne. Next example. Next.
X minus 4 equals 2.
So cross it out and write the correct number. And next, our last one example.
10 minus 7 equals
You can use your fingers.
3.
So. No a teraz your snowman môže byť happy, takže sa postav. Postav sa a môžeš mu dať, počkaj, veselú tak. Takže now our snowman is happy. Dobre. Aha. There is a next snowman. Stand up, come to me and listen to me. Compare these numbers. Yes, compare. And over now.
9 is more than 8.
And so on.
0 is less than 3.
Okay. 0 is less than. And next, comparing.
7 is more than 5.
Okay, Samko. Ja môžeš tiež draw happy mouth. Okay, I will smile. Dobre, thank you very much. There are some things, winter things. Dobre, Tamarka, stand up, come to me. And musíš napísať správne číslo, dobre? My. Toto je opakovanie. Nemôžeš vykrikovať z lavice. Maťka, čo a povedz to na vás.
7 is less than 10.
Next. Fajn, correct number. Povedz si, keby tu bolo nejaké číslo, aké musí byť tá varka?
9.
Áno, musí byť väčšie ako 5. A teraz to celé zopakuj.